So today, we are going to create a short documentary style vlog. We will explore how cyberspace affect Filipino from different generations.
The purpose of this vlog is to show how Filipinos of different ages use the internet.
It teaches people how to be safe online.
It talks about the good things and bad things that happen online.
It lets people share their online experience.
The vlog helps us understand online life in the Philippines.
It affects my daily life through my connection to my friends, especially in internet. Also, it helps me to encourage other people when it comes to safety, especially I'm a nursing student.
Sa akin kasi, sa pag-ano ng social media, if i-compare natin sa panahon noon, sa panahon ngayon, mas maganda yung flow ng internet ngayon. Kumbaga, mas madali yung pakikisalubungan, interact sa ibang tao.
Yung fake news ang nakaka-apekto sa atin. Tapos yung mga magandang salita na nakaka-advise sa pagkatao mo. Maganda yun.
I experienced to be bullied because of my post. Because in that post, I misinterpret something and that result to bullying.
Ang nakikita ko number one na epekto ng social media sa kabataan is doon na sila nakaka-focus. Kumbaga, wala na silang physical activities.
May nagkakaaway. Basta yun may away, may nag-aaway o nakakapit.
The advice that I can give them is to think it before you click it, because as of our generation, some of the links are not that appropriate to be clicked, because sometimes when you click that link, it might lead to illegal site like that. So I can advise that they should think it first before they click it.
Wag basta nag-post, sige, larga ka agad. Kailangan isipin mabuti. Kasi once na sabi nga nila, ang salita, pag nailabas mo na yan, hindi mo na mapapawi yan kahit kailan. May nasaktan kang tao, may naapektuhan na tao, mahirap mo lang.
Ang mapapayo ko sa kanila, advice ko sila, huwag silang basta-basta maniniwala sa mga fake news. Alamin mo muna bago sila maniwala.
So, throughout this vlog, we've heard from people of different ages about their experiences in the digital world. Many face challenges like misinformation, online fights, and cyber risks. But one thing is clear, we all need to be responsible online. So, think before you click. Don't believe everything on social media. Be kind and respectful. So together, we can make the internet a safer place. So let's stay aware, stay safe, and use the internet wisely. So that's all for today. Again, we are the Group 2. Thank you for watching.